Do you want to win free pizza for the entire family? Well, I'm going to tell you how to do just that. But first, let me tell you all about Better Than How Was Your Day, the latest book by For the One Ministries. It is filled with 500 questions that is guaranteed to get your kids to answer better than just fine when you ask, how was your day? Or lunch or recess when you ask, what was the greatest part of your day? Like question number 318. If God asked you to help someone tomorrow, who might it be? That is such a deep and awesome question. And there are 499 more questions that your kids are going to love to answer and give answers better than just fine. So what does this book have to do with getting you and your family free food? Well, in this contest, there are 4 ways that you can win. Step number 1 is share this post with someone else. Step 2 is buy the book. You can go to Amazon.com, search Better Than How Was Your Day, and you will find that we have the softcover book or the ebook available. Once you buy the book, move on to step 3 and write an honest review for the book. And then step number 4, the final step, is write an email to the email address you see on the screen, and in the subject headline, write in Better Than Fine, and provide us your personal information so we know how to get in contact with you. It can just be a name and an email address. And there you go. You're entered into winning the $10 Little Caesars gift card, and you get to walk away with some great conversational starters for your kids and your entire family. That's called double winning. The competition or the contest ends on March 8th. We close at 11:59 p.m. on March 8th. So the winner will be announced March 9th. So get ready, buckle up, and let's have some fun and learn about how your kids had a better than how was your day.